Hello, today we've got a very special unboxing video, and this is a collaboration between Analog Devices and Mouser, and as such the video contains an advert for Analog Devices and Mouser, and it's sponsored by Analog Devices and Mouser. So I've got this very mysterious box here which we're going to have a look inside. It's actually pretty substantial, and as far as I understand it, we need to solve a puzzle to open it, which you're going to help me with, but more on that later. First of all, let me tell you a bit more about the brands. So Analog Devices is a world-leading manufacturer of analog, digital and mixed signal integrated circuits. They've been around since about 1965, so pretty well established. Analog Devices manufacture products for converting, conditioning and processing real-world phenomena into electrical signals, like motion, temperature, light, velocity and sound. They also make amplifiers and linear products, radio frequency products, power management products, as well as sensors based on micro-electromechanical systems, that's MEMS, DSP products and much more. So a great range of sensing and processing. Mouser is a leading authorised distributor of semiconductors and electronic components for over 800 manufacturers. Their product range includes semiconductors, interconnects, passive components and also electromechanical components. So a really good range of stuff, basically where you go to buy your electronic components. Right, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so this just seems to open in two halves. It's a very tight fit. Oh, there we go. So that's just a shipping box. And inside we've got this very mysterious looking thing. First of all, there's a note in saying the Pioneer box, and inside it says, "Dear James, you build awesome prototypes on your channel all the time. But for this video, we'd like you to take a break from prototyping and have a look at what we built for you. As a mechanical engineer, you look at problems from different angles. This will help you to find out what the light path shows." Maybe that's a clue. At the bottom it says, "Happy solving from your friends at Mouser and Analog Devices." And there's a note at the bottom here that says, "The cube features sensitive sensors and electronics, so no matter how tempting, force is never an option. On the other hand, the cube's surface can withstand cold and heat." We're going to look at all of the sides of the box to see if there's any more clues, but first of all, the big obvious one is a thing that says "Remove before flight," which is on the top, and that looks like a key that pulls out. I'm not going to do that now. There's also a small metal button looking thing just there, and a little hole next to it. That's the only thing on the top surface though, really. Okay, so the other sides, we've got one here with a pattern on it, and it's also got a plate that says the charging plate is behind there. It did come with a charger actually to charge it, so I'll make sure it's charged before we try and solve it. It's got Analog Devices and Mouser on it, but not much else on there. I don't think any of these move. They all seem to be fixed on, although I could be wrong. Let's turn it around again. So a plain side, and again this pattern. And again, I'm not sure if any of these are buttons or anything like that. It's really hard to say. This edge looks like it might light up though, possibly. That looks kind of translucent. Another really similar one here with, again, nothing I can see that are buttons or anything. Yep, and another side the same as the other one with another lighting strip. And on the bottom, if that is the bottom, again, we seem to have these strips on the corners. And another panel really similar, so yeah, very mysterious. I can't even see if any of these look like they're a lid that open. It looks pretty sealed all the way around at the moment. But we need to work out how to open it, and for that I need your help. We're going to be solving the box on a live stream in my YouTube channel, which is going to take place this Sunday, the 25th of October 2020 at 6 PM UK time. Now the clocks do change for daylight saving on Saturday night, but the UK time zone will be GMT on Sunday, or you can just Google what is the time in the UK on Sunday. We've only got one time zone, so it's pretty easy to find out what time it is here. I'll be putting up a live stream in my channel on Sunday afternoon with a countdown to go live in any case. The live stream will be interactive using the chat, so you'll be able to interact with me and help me work out how to solve the box and find out what's inside. So thanks again to Analog Devices and Mouser. I'm really looking forward to find out how to open this and find out what's inside. See you Sunday!